Samsung has now put robotics right next to the CEO's desk. Well, the company has created a new dedicated robotics division that reports directly to its chief executive. And well, what you could do kindly, you don't need to report on this, but just go ahead and like, share, subscribe. Truly motivates us on front page. Thank you so much for your kind support. Now, the new division is called RX, short for Robotics Experience. His job is to lead Samsung's long-term robotics strategy, technology development, and business execution. The company is working to turn robotics into a genuine future growth engine. Now, the robots will be deployed at manufacturing sites first, before expanding into home and retail applications down the line. Now, Samsung became the largest shareholder in Rainbow Robotics back in late 2024, specifically to accelerate humanoid robot development. Now, to run the robotics strategy team, Samsung brought in Executive Vice President Lee Dong-kun, who previously led robotics strategy at Hyundai Motor Group. Samsung also plans, by the way, to set up robotics research hubs in the United States, China, and Japan. Now, according to the company, RX division will oversee this mid to long-term strategy expansion both in South Korea and overseas. Samsung has been signaling this push for quite some time now. Back in January, the company said it expected to deliver, and I quote, tangible, unquote, results its humanoid robotics business this year. Now, in April, Samsung said it was open to investments and acquisitions to speed up robotics development and commercialization, and would work with local companies wherever necessary. And here, of course, is the front page take. Samsung is treating robotics the way it's historically treated chips and memory. It is a business worth building serious organizational muscle around, for sure. The manufacturing first rollout also makes sense as a strategy by proving the technology works on Samsung's own factory floors before ever asking consumer or retailer to trust a humanoid robot in their space. So, well, here's the question I have for all of you. Does Samsung's manufacturing first robotics rollout become the proving ground that gets humanoid robots into homes sooner? Or does that final jump from factory to household remain further away than these announcements ever tend to suggest? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.